Well, today is Monday. We'll see you again. We see you guys again, and then it's really excited. Okay, hopefully you guys also feel the same, even though now it's still the fasting month, and then maybe some of our classmates are still doing all those praying things or that. Okay, well. Let's just start slowly. Okay, let them finish with their meals and then all that. Okay, let me see. Okay, so while waiting, let's just start already. All right, there you go. Hopefully you can, okay, there you go. You guys can see it. Okay. So tonight we are still discussing about chapter 18, okay, how we meet and then meeting new people or during an event, okay, a seminar, okay. All right, guys. So while waiting, I'm going to review first, okay? So that way you guys can get it correctly, okay? And then improve in yourself, okay? Let's see. Let's start with here. Some of the words and then some of phrases also I need you guys to pay extra attention, okay? Uh, Right here on Tom's dialog number 2, we see the word is pretty. Okay, listen, I don't say pretty. Okay, I don't say pretty, I don't say pretty. Okay, listen how I pronounce it. Okay, pretty. Okay, jadi ini loh. Okay, let me write it first. Okay, jadi kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia kita bacanya sebegini. Pretty. Okay. Okay. Pretty. Okay. Pretty. Nah, yeah, sounds like that. Okay. Oke, jadi seperti ini ya kalau dalam how we pronounce it, oke? Okay? Kebanyakan yang huruf T-nya di bagian belakang, yang suku kata kedua, the second syllables, okay? I mean like probably the last syllables, okay? Nah itu T-nya itu kita bacanya sebagai D, okay? Uh, uh, Meskipun huruf T-nya itu cuma satu, okay? We'll see on the other words, okay? Let's move on first. Okay, so look now on Tom's number 2. This is a pretty good seminar so far, huh? Okay. Okay, when you guys listen to the movies, okay, pay attention to how, okay, especially the American English, okay, they're going to sounds like that, okay. Not sure about the UK, okay, the British English, okay, because most of the movies is that we watch right now are like American movies, right? Okay, so I just get used to that. All right, so now Anna's dialect number 2. Okay, the phrases is Prentice Hall, Prentice Hall. Okay, move on to Anna's number 3. Okay, this is the word that I need you guys to pay extra attention. Okay, we saw this lots already from previous chapters. Okay, great, great. Instead of great, okay. Now, okay, let me write it different. Okay, this is how you pronounce it as a great. Okay. Nah, kalau di sini great-nya ini adalah sebagai verb. Oke. Nah, verb itu adalah kata kerja. Sementara di sini great ini sendiri adalah kata sifat. Oke. Kata sifat, adjective. Oke. Nah, itu berbeda ya. Nah, kemudian tulisannya berbeda, pengucapannya pun berbeda ya. Oke, so it was a great seminar. Okay, remember that. Okay, so because when you talk to somebody, okay, when you say it was a great, Okay, now they're gonna get confused, right? Okay, it was a great, okay, instead of great, okay? All right. Move on to Enas number 4. Okay, the word is create. Create harmony and cooperation. Okay. Next, Enas number 5, the word is sign. Sign up. Okay. Nah, kata sign ini mempunyai makna yang berbeda-beda tergantung dari penempatannya dalam kalimat ya. Nah, kalau di sini sign up itu adalah satu kata, oke, meskipun satu phrase, oke. One phrase even though phrase consists of two words, oke. Jadi ini adalah sign up, oke, mendaftar, oke. Delegate, delegate, oke. Next, Enas number 7, okay, the word is specialize, specialize on that. The next one is computers, okay. The T adalah the third is the third syllabus, okay, the last syllable, so we pronounce that as a D ya dalam bahasa Indonesia. Oke, jadi begini ya. Oke, computers. Nah, begini ya. Mana kom itu K ya. Computers. Nah, gini ya, kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia kira-kira begini, oke? Okay? We specialize in repairing computers. Oke. Okay. Nah, tapi saat pengucapannya antara pew dan theirs itu agak cepat, agak ya jadi satu ya, oke? Okay? Seperti computers, no computers, oke? Okay? Nah, instead of that, we're gonna pronounce this computers, oke? Okay? Oke, so jadi itu ya, diperhatikan itu T suku kata yang terakhir. Okay. Next, okay, the word is pretty. Okay, on Enas number 8, pretty. Okay, next, on Enas number 9, the word is busy. Okay, busy. Okay, sibuk ya. Next, and Enas number 10. The word is frustrating. Okay. The thing ini ya, thing ini ada letaknya adalah di suku kata terakhir sehingga thingnya ini menjadi ding. Okay, frustrating. Okay. Dan seeding. Okay, seeding. Nah, thing lagi itu adalah letaknya di the last syllable. Okay, so seeding, okay. Nah, jadi kalau dibacanya kira-kira begini ya tulisannya seeding, okay. And then let's see, frustrating. Okay, begitu kira-kira ya. Alright, so move on to Tom's number 10. Okay, the word is hate. Hate. I hate those types of days. Okay, then on Anna's number 11, the word is 10:30 a.m. Okay, the one I need you guys to remember is the word a.m. instead of em. Lots of the what do you call English learners, they're saying em instead of am. Okay, the right one is am or pm. Okay, ASABC. Okay, next, move on to number 12. Tom's number 12, the word is workplace. Workplace. Oke, tempat kerja ya, kantor lah, entahlah di mana aja kerjanya ya. Okay, so those are the words, the pronunciation, I need you guys to pay extra attention, okay? So you get it right. All right, so let's move on to our role plays, okay? Role plays. Let's see. And give me one moment. Assign the parts to you guys, okay? All right, Miss Fanny. I'll have Miss Fanny taking care of Tom's number 1 until number 4. And then Shirley will taking care of Anna's number 1 until number 3. And then Mr. Amin is doing Tom's number 1 until number 7. And then Miss Fu will do Anna's number 4 until number 6. And then Miss Lily is doing Tom's number 8 until number 10. And then I still have like 3 spots available. You may raise your hands and I'll assign the parts to you guys, okay? It'd be nice if we can hear new voices, right guys? Okay. Let's see. We'll give 3 minutes, okay? 3 minutes until, oh no, 1 minute only, 7:15, okay? We will center 7:15 for you guys to get yourself set up. And you raise your hands and I'll assign it to you, okay? 3 more spots available for the role plays. Okay, there you go. Any question you may type on the chat and then we'll discuss together. Okay, after we do the role play, we're continuing with the grammar. Okay, the grammar of this chapter, which is about conjunction. Okay, kata sambung. Okay. All right, 7:15 already, I believe. Okay, so let me see. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. Next. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, so Anna's number 7 until number 9 will be taken care by Shirley. And then Tom's number 11 until 12 will be taken care by Miss Fu. And then Mr. Amin will finish up the role play with Anna's number 10 and 11. Okay, let me repeat again, guys. So Miss Fanny is doing Tom's number 1 until number 4. Shirley is taking care of Anna's number 1 until number 3. Mr. Amin is doing Tom's number 5 until number 7. Miss Fu is doing Anna's number 4 until number 6. Miss Lily is doing Tom's number 8 until number 10. And then Shirley is doing Anna's number 7 until number 9. Miss Fu is doing Tom's number 11 and 12. Mr. Amin will do Anna's number 10 and 11. All right. All right, now allow me to unmute you guys so we can start the role plays. Okay.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Shirley. How's
Good
work
evening,
today?
Miss
Good evening,
Susan.
Mr. Amin.
Good evening, Miss
Good
Susan.
evening, Miss Penny. How was dinner?
Yes.
Okay, already?
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss Fu. Good evening, Miss Lily. Okay, guys, it's nice to hear your voices again today. Okay, give me a moment. Pull this up. All right. Now, times is yours, guys. We may start with Miss Penny, huh? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Tom.
I am Anna.
This is a pretty good seminar so far. Who?
Yes, I like it. Friends Hall always delivers good seminars. All of its speakers are very well known and also very knowledgeable in the subject matter. If you attend the seminar or read the seminar on leadership in Long Beach last January,
No, I missed that one. Who was the speaker?
John Miller, he is the author of The 7 Habits of a Good Leader. It was a great seminar. John gave us tons of information on how to deal with employees. You should sign up for that seminar next year.
I will. I'm very interested in the subject of leadership. I was promoted to the position of supervisor a few months ago, and I have to manage a staff of 10 people. It can be quite and difficult situation sometimes. It is the reason why I am here today.
Same here. I only have 7 people reporting to me. Yet, sometimes I feel like pulling my hair out. I need to find a way to create harmony and cooperation within my department.
It's me. I also need to learn how to better manage my workload. I always run out of time. It seems like the days are getting shorter and shorter.
You need to sign up for the Learn How to Delegate seminar. It is coming next month.
Let's see whenever I will have any free time next month. I know sometime next month I will have to go to Texas on a business trip.
By the way, what is your company doing?
We produce office equipment such as calculator, and fax machine. How about yours?
We are in the service business. We specialize in repairing computers.
How was business lately?
It is pretty slow right now. Just like any other company, we are quite affected by this showing economy. Oops.
Business
This
is slow.
slow economy.
Business is slow with my company too. However, people are saying that it should pick up anytime now.
Let's hope so. We need to keep our employees busy.
I have some very talented employees and I would like to keep their minds sharp. They tend to be bored when things slow down, and that is not good.
Yes, nothing is more frustrating than sitting idle with nothing to do. The days seem so long.
I hate those type of days. Luckily, it is not that bad in our company. Besides, we are in the process of updating our computer system. and we can use the slow period to finish the process.
Oh, good for you. Oh, 10:30 a.m. already. I guess our break time is over.
The topic of the next season, how to make positive impression on other and gain visibility and influence in the workplace. Seems to be really interesting. We better not miss any part of it. Let's get back to our seat so that we can learn how to bring our the best in ourselves as well as our employees.
Okay, guys. Very good. Lots of improvement. Okay. Just really little today. Okay, let's see. Let's check on Tom's number 5 first. Let's check it out. Tom's number 5. All right, yes. Actually, missed this one, huh? Okay, this. Okay, the word shoulder. Okay. Nah, di sini ternya ini juga berada di kata suku kata terakhir ya. So it's gonna be like this. Shoulder. Shoulder. Okay. It's shorter. The days are getting shorter and shorter. Okay. Shorter. Oke, kira-kira begini tulisannya ada. The days are getting shorter, and shorter. Oke, gitu kira-kira. Oke. And then Anna's number 4. Okay, the word is this one. Create. Okay, I need to find a way to create. Okay. And then Tom's number 2. Okay, the word is huh. Okay, this is a pretty good seminar so far, huh? Okay, no who. Okay, huh. Okay, this is a pretty good seminar so far, huh? Okay, itu seolah-olah dia minta persetujuan. Oke, bisa kata lainnya begini. This is a pretty good seminar so far, isn't it? Okay, it's the same meaning. Okay, so but ha here is like a more informal. Okay, so other ones you can use isn't it? Okay, bukankah ini seminar yang bagus? Ya, kira-kira begitu terjemahannya. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Tom's number 2. It was Miss Penny. Okay. Okay, I'll have Miss Penny repeat after me, okay? This is a pretty good seminar so far, huh?
This is a pretty good seminar so far, huh?
Okay, pretty.
Pretty.
Okay, it's pretty, okay? Okay, pretty good.
This is a pretty good seminar so far, huh?
Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, thank you. Perfect. Next, let's check on Anna's number 4. Create. Okay, that's Miss Fu. Okay, I'll have Miss Fu try. Okay, Miss Fu, repeat after me. Okay. All right. I need to find a way to create harmony. Okay, go ahead.
I need to find a way to create harmony and
Okay.
cooperation with my department.
Okay,
Yes,
create.
Create.
Very good.
Create.
Oh, yes, that's correct. Okay, perfect. Thank you. All right. Last one is Tom's number 5. Tom's number 5. Okay, skip. Storms number 5. Okay, there you go. All right, the word here is shorter and shorter. All right, there you go. So it seems like the days are getting shorter and shorter. All right, I'll have Mr. Amin. Okay.
It seems like the days are getting shorter and shorter.
Perfect. Okay, so that's
Thank
how
you,
you
Miss.
pronounce the
Oh,
T. Okay, yang
I
letaknya
forgot it.
yang letaknya adalah di suku kata terakhir dalam sebuah kata. Okay. Any
Okay, thank you,
question,
Miss.
Mr. Amin?
No.
Okay,
Forget it.
perfect.
I forget
Yes,
it.
very good. Okay. All right, so that's the end for the role plays today. Now let's move on to our grammar lesson for the day. All right, so remember last week we were doing exercise number 1, okay? Before we continue with the rest of the exercise, I'm going to have an explanation for number 1. Remember, I believe it was Shirley, okay, answering, okay. Now, this is, I'm gonna give you guys an explanation, okay. Why our answer was whenever instead of once, okay. Now, listen to this, okay, the different, okay. Now, before we move on, let's see. Once, okay. Kata once ini berarti saat digunakan dalam kalimat itu mempunyai makna after or as soon as, okay. Jadi ini biasanya kata once ini ya di penggunaannya itu menggunakan subjek dan kata kerja. Kemudian diikuti oleh it's gonna be use of future or conditional statement. Okay, kalau future we usually use the word will. Okay, or a conditional statement. Okay, let's see the example here. Okay. Now, for the future, okay, let's see. The example here is like this. Once she finishes the book, she will lend it to me. Okay. Jadi ini kalau kita di penggunaan artinya itu adalah after she finishes the book, she will lend it to me. Okay. Jadi setelah dia selesai membaca buku ini, dia akan meminjamkannya kepada saya, oke? Nah, di sini penggunaan ada will, oke? Future, oke? Nah, yang kedua, penggunaan once ini yang mempunyai makna conditional, oke? Jadi sebagai persyaratan, oke? Let's see the example here. Once you arrive, we can start the meeting, oke? Artinya, oke, after you arrive, the meeting will start. We can start a meeting, oke? Okay? Jadi persyaratannya itu dia harus datang dulu, oke? Okay? Dia setelah dia tiba baru rapatnya itu dimulai, oke? Okay? Nah, pada saat untuk conditional ini tidak menggunakan kata will, oke? Okay? Karena bukan future, oke? Okay? So it is a conditional, oke? Okay? Sementara untuk yang penggunaan yang future, of course, we're gonna use the will. Okay, now, since number 1 here, there isn't any future tense, okay? So, not for the future action, for sure. Let's see the conditional, okay? Once you arrive, we start the meeting, okay? Now, this, let's see first, okay? Nah, penggunaan once untuk kalimat nomor 1 ini, okay? I visited Grand Canyon, blah, 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 I go to Arizona. Okay, let's see if we use once, okay? I visited Grand Canyon once I go to Arizona. Okay? Nah, penggunaan once itu berarti yaitu yang satu yaitu visit, okay, you visit the, jadi I visited the Grand Canyon only one time. Okay, I visited Grand Canyon once. I go to Arizona. Jadi penggunaan once ini bisa berarti dia satu kali saja, okay? And then di sini karena tidak ada penggunaan kata will, okay? Nah, kalau dia bisanya menggunakan kata will, kita bisa menggunakan gini. I will visit the Grand Canyon once I go to Arizona. Oke, itu maknanya akan berbeda kalau ada kata will ya. Nah, artinya after I go to Arizona, I will visit Grand Canyon. Oke, jadi dia visit Arizona dulu, kemudian dia pergi ke Grand Canyon. Nah, tapi itu harus ada penggunaan kata will di kalimat yang pertama ini ya. Nah, sementara di pertanyaan tidak ada kata will, sehingga maknanya itu menjadi berbeda. Oke? Oke. Untuk once. Oke? Nah, jadi itu kita tidak, lebih tepatnya untuk kalimat yang ini karena tidak ada will, kita menggunakan whenever. Oke, jadi setiap kali dia pergi ke Arizona, pasti dia pergi ke Grand Canyon. Oke, I visit Grand Canyon whenever I go to Arizona. Oke, jadi setiap kali dia ke Arizona, pasti dia mengunjungi Grand Canyon. Oke, dari struktur kalimatnya itu lebih tepat penggunaan whenever. Oke. Okay, so that is the reason we pick the answer whenever. Okay, hopefully you guys understand. I already wrote it here. Okay, and then with the example explanation, hopefully it's helpful for you guys. Okay, otherwise you may chat again and then we'll discuss it about that. Okay, all right, so that's the exercise 1. You guys already answered until number 4. Move on to number 5, guys. Okay, still the same. You pick one of the answer in the brackets. Okay, number 5, I could not get a seat, blah blah blah, I came early. Okay, saya tidak mendapatkan tempat duduk, blah blah blah, saya datangnya awal gitu loh, sudah lebih awal gitu. Okay, let's see. Let's have Miss Lily try number 5. Okay.
I could not get a seat.
Blah blah blah.
So I came early.
Okay, I also agree. Okay, now sometimes, okay, this word though itu we can use even though. Okay, it's the same. Okay, meskipun ya dalam artinya ya. Okay, very good, Miss Lily. Thank you. Okay, let me write. Okay, the other. So though ini adalah bentuk is the short way of even though. Oke, begini. Nah, itu biasanya begini katanya, tulisannya. Oke, I could not get a seat even though I came early. Saya tidak mendapatkan tempat duduk meskipun sudah datang lebih awal. Oke, kira-kira gitu. Alright, move on to number 6. We are leaving Wednesday, blah blah blah, or not. It rains. We are leaving Wednesday, blah, 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 or not, it rains. Okay. Okay, let's see. All right, let's hear from Jane, okay?
We are leaving Wednesday, whether or not it rains.
Very good. Okay. Can you help me translate for the rest of the class, please?
Kami meninggalkan pada hari Rabu, bagaimanapun atau tidak, walaupun bagaimanapun itu lagi hujan.
Okay.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Okay, like this. We are leaving Oke, we're leaving Wednesday, whether or not it rains. Oke, kita akan pergi hari Rabu ya, meskipun itu hujan atau tidak. Kira-kira gitu. Alright, very good. Thank you, Jane.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay, so that's for number 6. Okay, move on to number 7. Okay, pay attention to your work, blah, blah, blah. You will not make mistakes. Okay, let's see. Number 7. Okay, okay, let's hear from Vidya. Okay, guys. All right, Vidya, would you like to turn number 7?
Okay, Miss. Pay
Sure.
attention to your work so that you will not make mistakes.
Okay, so that you will not make mistakes. Okay, can you translate for us, please?
Oke, Miss. Perhatikan pekerjaanmu supaya kamu tidak membuat kesalahan.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, Vidya. Oke, jadi kira-kira
Ya.
begini, pay attention to your work so that you will not make mistake. Oke, supaya seperti kata Widya bisa gitu. Oke, perhatikan ya perhatikan kerjaanmu sehingga kamu tidak membuat kesalahan. Oke, bisa juga begitu. Oke, sehingga atau supaya. Oke. Alright, move on to number 8. The musicians delivered a rousing performance, blah, blah, blah. They had rehearsed often. Okay. All right. Number 8. Number 8. Let's see. Okay, let's hear from Shirley.
Okay. The musician delivered a rousing performance as they had rehearsed often.
Often. All right, very good. Translate, please.
Pemain musik itu mempersembahkan performance
Pertunjukan
yang meriah.
Hmm.
Sebagaimana mereka sudah latihan berkali-kali.
Very good. Oke. Jadi the musician itu pemain musik tersebut, pemain musik maksudnya pemain musik yang banyak itu. Kelompok musik, pemusik itu kelompok pemusik itu kelompok pemusik itu mempersembahkan pertunjukan yang sangat meriah karena mereka itu sudah sering latihan rehearse sudah sering unjuk gigi kira-kira ya, berarti dia sudah sering pertunjukan di mana-mana gitu. Oke, very good, thank you Shirley. Okay, Shirley, remember we were talking about number 1. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
The different, yes? Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay, thank you, Shirley. Okay, let's move on to number 9. She's honest, blah, blah, blah. Everyone trusts her. Okay, let's hear from Miss Fanny, please.
Yes, Miss. She is honest.
Everyone trusts her.
When everyone trusts her.
Oke, kalau kita terjemahkan dulu ya mungkin ya. She's honest, bla bla bla, everyone trusts her. Oke, kira-kira perterjemahannya gimana ya? Dia jujur. Ya, dia adalah orang yang jujur, oke? Oke, bla bla bla. Semua orang mempercayainya.
Maka semua orang mempercayainya.
Oke, dan makanya dalam bahasa Inggris?
So.
Yes, very good. Okay, so that's the when you guys get a little bit confusing like that, Okay, you may translate to our mother tongue. Okay, jadi bahasa utama kita. Okay, sehingga lebih memudahkan. Okay, very good. Thank you, Miss Penny.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, move on to number 10. Write this down, blah, 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 you forget. Okay. Write this down, blah, 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 you forget. Okay, let's see. Let's hear from Mr. Amin.
Write this down, or you forget.
Okay, translate.
Tulis di bawah atau kamu lupa ya?
Okay, write this down. Okay, write this down itu bukan tulis di bawah. Okay, tulis ini ya, gitu
Oh, terus
kira-kira.
ini ya.
Nah,
Oh,
tulis ini.
atau kamu lupa ya? Write this
Okay,
down.
or you forget. Okay, yes, you may answer that. Okay, write this down, or you may
Forget.
forget. Okay, you may forget. Kamu tulis ini atau kamu akan lupa.
Lupa.
Okay, okay. We can use that. Okay, but there's another word actually. Then nah.
When tidak bisa.
West, ya betul. Nah, ini ada kata last, oke. Nah, last ini adalah conjunction. Ini jarang dipakai untuk yang level-level yang masih what do you call intermediate all that, oke. Nah, ini last, oke. Itu artinya itu adalah conjunction yang digunakan untuk to prevent something that undesirable happen, okay? Jadi ini penggunaannya itu untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang tidak kita inginkan terjadi. Oke, nah seperti ini yang you forget itu kan adalah kita tidak mau kan ya terjadi forget kan. Jadi kita bisa write this down lest you forget, okay? Tulis ini sehingga kamu itu tidak lupa. Kira-kira begitu. Oke, artinya kalau last. Karena kita tidak mau forget ini terjadi. Nah, oke. So we gonna use less. Okay.
Last. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Amin. Okay. So guys, so this last here. Okay, let me write it down so you guys remember. Okay. So last here. Oke. Ini adalah jenis conjunction, oke, sudah juga conjunction yang fungsinya itu untuk this conjunction is used to prevent undesirable action happen, okay? Okay, so let's see another example here like this. Get yourself ready for the test lest you get bad score. Begitu. Jadi kalau untuk penggabungan dua kalimat yang oke, satunya dianjurkan untuk dilakukan sementara yang di bagian kalimat yang berikutnya itu adalah menunjukkan suatu kejadian yang tidak diinginkan terjadi. Okay, then we're gonna use last. But this is really rare, okay? So it's just for additional knowledge for you guys, okay? All right, move on to now exercise number 2. Yeah, exercise number 2, what you need to do is complete the sentence with the correlative conjunction from the brackets. Oke, jadi ini kita bisa memilih kalimat dalam kurungnya. I plan to take my vacation my vacation blah 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 in June blah 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 in July. Okay. All right, let's move on to number 1. Okay, number 1. Let's hear from Miss Lily.
I plan to take my vacation
Oke, saya akan berlibur bla 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 June atau Julai. Okay, remember we have either. Okay, this is the correlative conjunction. Okay, whether or, either or.
I
Nah,
plan
kalau
to take my vacation either in June or in July.
July. Okay. I also agree. Okay, before let's see the explanation here. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's correlative. Okay. When you use the word neither, okay, neither, it's gonna go with nor, okay. Itu adalah pasangan dari neither, okay. Neither is going with nor, okay. Then either, okay, either is going with or. Neither nor, either or. As if that's really obvious, okay. Nah, okay. Now, either or, okay, here, indicate that there are 2 possibilities, okay, 2 alternative, okay. Sementara neither nor itu adalah penggunaan yang connecting two negatives, not this or that, okay, itu artinya. Jadi neither nor itu adalah menggabungkan 2 hal yang negatif, oke? Yang maknanya tidak ini dan juga tidak itu. Sedangkan kalau either or itu adalah penggabungan yang menunjukkan alternatif. Di mana dalam pertanyaan tersebut adalah alternatifnya adalah dia pergi berlibur, pilihannya Juni atau Julai. Oke, so either or. Oke, let's see. Oh, okay. The other one is whether or. Okay, let's see. I thought it was neither nor. Give me 1 second. Okay. So our answer here is either or yang menunjukkan pilihannya either or. Okay, let's check on whether or. Whether. Either already whether. Not only but also. Give me 1 second, okay. With neither nor, either or. Whether. Whether. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Where's the explanation of whether? Okay. Give me 1 moment. I don't see the explanation of whether here. Okay, guys. We see explanation here, so let's move on first. Okay. So anyway, whether or okay, this is don't have the explanation. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, let me make sure that you guys know the difference here really quick. Okay, guys, hold on. Really quick, guys. Whether or. Actually, it is alternative whether in actually explicit another when you need a clear distinction between two options. Clear distinction when you're presenting explicit alternative and you need a clear distinction. Okay, for right now, okay, whether or it's used for the alternative also and then this is for explicit alternative, it says, okay, explicit alternative. Okay, give me 1 second, okay. Biasanya itu di dalam whether or itu kalimatnya itu lebih panjang, oke? Seperti yang contoh di latihan sini, let's see, I saw that earlier. Whether, okay, like this, okay. We are leaving Wednesday whether or not it rains. Nah, ini adalah kalimat ya. Whether or this is rains, okay. It rains, okay. Jadi bukan satu kata aja ya, begitu ya, okay. So that's why here number 1 is also what we call alternative, okay. There are 2 choices, okay, but we use either in June or in July instead of whether in June or in July, okay. So like that. Okay, let's see on the other example. So far, that's the explanation that I can give it to you guys. Okay, I'll dig in more and then a more explanation on the following meeting. Okay, guys, let's move on to number 2. Okay, blah blah blah. I'm feeling happy. Blah 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 said. I try to keep a positive attitude. Okay. All right, let's try have Vidya. Okay, there you go.
Whether I'm feeling happy or sad, I try to keep a positive attitude.
Okay, very good. Okay, so here, okay, also alternative, okay, feeling sad or happy, okay, but here is like a more longer sentence, like instead of one word, okay, so that's why we use whether. It's a explicit, okay, explicit alternative, okay, that's what it says. All right, I also agree with Vidya. Very good. Okay, move on to number 3. Blah blah blah. Had I taken my shoes off, I found out we had to leave again. Okay. All right, number 3. Blah blah blah. Had I taken my shoes off, I found out we had to leave again. Oke, saya sudah lepas sepatu, ternyata kita harus pergi lagi. Oke, nah, that's what kira-kira seperti itu ya. Alright, okay. Let's hear from Mr. Amin, okay?
Whether had I taken my shoes off or I found out we have to leave again.
Okay.
Ketika saya melepas sepatu ya.
Oke, kemudian
Atau saya tidak menemukan kami meninggalkan
oke.
segera.
Jadi begini, kira-kira kalimatnya begini, setelah saya melepaskan sepatu, ternyata saya baru
Tidak
tahu
menemukan.
kalau kita harus pergi lagi gitu loh. Nah, gitu
Iya.
kira-kira. Kira-kira begitu. Jadi whether not, it's obvious not, okay. So here, okay, actually the answer is no sooner had I taken my shoes off than I found out we had to leave again. Okay.
Tidak segera ya, maksudnya tidak segera.
No sooner than, okay, itu maksudnya okay, no sooner had I no sooner had I taken my shoes. Seketika itu, maksudnya itu dia barusan aja lepas sepatu. Nah, gitu loh. Barusan saya
Segera ya.
lepas sepatu, kemudian I found out, then we have to leave again. Gitu loh. Kira-kira begitu.
Kira-kira artinya ya.
Okay. Yes, a little bit complicated for this. Yeah, I didn't pay attention to the exercise. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, so
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Mr. Amin. Okay, so now move on to number 4. Okay. Blah blah blah. Only is dark chocolate delicious. Blah blah blah. It can be healthy. Okay, number 4. Okay, let's hear from Miss Penny. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Number 4, blah blah blah. Tidak hanya
Not only is dark chocolate delicious, but it can be healthy.
Okay, yes, also agree with Miss Penny. Oke, kira-kira terjemahannya?
Tidak hanya dark coklat enak, tetapi juga membuat badan sehat.
Yes, oke. Jadi dark coklat itu tidak hanya enak, tetapi juga menyehatkan. Kira-kira begitu. Oke, very good. Thank you, Miss Penny. Okay, so that's number 4. Let's move on to number 5, okay? I have blah blah blah. I have salad for dinner. Blah blah blah. I can have ice cream for dessert. Okay. Let's hear from Shirley.
Okay. If I have salad for dinner, then I can have ice cream for dessert.
Okay, translate for us, please.
Kalau saya makan salad untuk makan dinner, makan malam. Jadi saya bisa makan ice cream untuk penutupnya.
Oke. Bila makan malam saya adalah salad, maka saya bisa makan es krim untuk penutupnya. Untuk dessert itu penutup ya. Oke, kira-kira gitu. Oke, very good. Thank you, Shirley.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So that's the number 5. Okay, we still have quite a bit. Okay. So let's see. It's 8:02. Okay, really quick, huh? So we still have exercise 3 also. Okay, exercise 3. Okay, yes. So exercise 4. Okay. We'll continue again for the exercise next week. Okay, and then okay, hopefully you guys can answer first. Okay, answer first, and then we'll discuss it together next week. Okay, let me see weather. Okay, so I'll find out more about the weather or. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for joining the class. Okay. And then enjoy the rest of the week. Stay healthy. Okay. Be happy also. Be grateful. Okay. See you next week, guys. Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you, Miss.
Thank you,
See
Miss.
you next week. Bye.
Bye bye,
Same
guys.
time.
Bye.